Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Dheeraj Mehrotra, and this module talks about the 5S, the quality 5S mantra, which we need to practice. And this very course allows you to pace at excellence at anything. It's more about housekeeping, You keep your things the best way possible so that you can be retrieving it at regular intervals whenever you require it. This particular course is divided into few modules wherein I talk about implementation of 5S quality mantras at any workspace. My priority would be academics in schools, and then it can be laminated and practiced at any pace. So I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this particular course. It is a very short course and does not require much of your queries and question answers. So dedicate at least an hour on this particular course, download your certificate, and enjoy the beauty of learning. Implement this capsule of quality at pace. So, over to our next module, the 5S initiatives towards excellence at work life. Happy learning.